I just love playing GTA 5. Oh man, I died. It's my favourite game. Ooh. Hey Junior. Oh, hey Jeffy, what you doing? Oh, I'm wondering to see what you're doing. Nah, just playing video games. Oh yeah. Ooh, do you want to? Oh yeah. Ooh, don't do something. Yeah. Ooh, I just walked something. Ooh. Oh, can I have a turn GTA 5? Well, I guess. Oh, guys, I'm not real playing, but I can't really be bothered. I'll show you. Oh man, I died. Hey, Jeffy. What? You have to come downstairs and eat. No, I'm not. It's morning. It's Jeffy, do you have the hiccups? What are the hiccups? Oh, they're really annoying. And we need a doctor. Don't call a doctor. Why? Oh. Yeah. Eat this mushroom that you eat in the game. It's annoying, but it's out for all the nights you watch. You eat it. I feel better. Why is it making all noise? I don't know. Get in bed. Get in bed. Hey Jeffy, where are you going? I'm taking him to bed, Junior. Oh well, I need to get no place to tonight. Oh yeah. Yes, I can. First play. Oh, hey Junior. Oh, hey Shankly. I'm asleep or what yet? Oh yeah, it was good. Got someone tonight. I don't know. So Jeffy has the hiccups and I want him to go. Yeah, but me and you. Yeah, but me, Andrew and Shaggy like a trio. We in every video together. Yeah, but Jeffy is our friend. Doesn't yeah, but doesn't matter. You still have to. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. You still have to do something. Okay. No. Well. No. Because it's nothing there. No. No. You have to. No. We have to invite Jeffy. It's my house. It's fine. Of course you can kick me out because you had this out before me. Yes. I mean, yes. I did have the app before you. I'm nearly 11. I'm nearly 12. You're only just 11. I know. Shall we go? Shall we go to see how Jeffy's doing? Yeah. Okay, Jeffy, you're going to stay in bed. Okay, Daddy. Okay. I'm out to sleep. Mario. What? Oh, what do you want, Junior? What to watch some TV? Oh, you shouldn't be a parent. I just watch some TV. I'm watching some TV. Right? Oh, fine. I might as well just watch it with you. I mean, it's been 3 hours I've been watching TV. What are you even watching? And the TV is on, yeah, we have multiple TVs. I'm going to tell him, Junior. Hey, Shankly. What are you doing? Oh, watching some TV. No, we're supposed to have a plan. What? I'm watching my favourite cartoon, Jeffy the Dragon. Come on. I'm not watching prank stuff again. Last time you put me in the water and the next we push Mario down the stairs. Yes, I guess I'm not doing no prank stuff. We don't have to. Yeah, but the thing is, what doesn't mean what happened. Yeah, but the put on this thing right here. Come on, Jeffy. Please still. It's equal. We have to scare him. Okay. Boo! Ah! That scared you, no. Spat my diaper. What? That didn't scare him. It was supposed to scream like that. It was supposed to scream like that. I would just scream then. Anyway, Jeffy has the hiccups. Have you seen it already? He has hiccups and they put the frog down his trousers. Jeffy don't have no trousers. I said a witch casted a spell on him to make him like Kermit the Frog. He's going to be changing back on November. But I saw some episode out. If you get someone else to fight, it might scare him. Oh, can you beat him up? Let me think about it. Oh, there's Jeffy. Let's all beat him up. What? Oh, you scare me. Oh, that's scaring me. Oh, come here. Oh. Give me the little black eye. You don't start with me. No, we can't beat him up. Why? He'll fight back. Have you seen him? He's back. He absolutely levered the bully. He's absolutely gonna get levered. Now, let's just get him in the way. Oh man, I might just go to sleep. Hey, Jeffy. What? Can you? Oh, we need to do something to you. Why are you all surrounding me? Because we have to get rid of your hiccup by. But you, ow! You scare me! Ow! Oh, come here! Ow! You're being on my foot! Oh, I'll kick you! Oh, no, you can't do that! He's trying to get rid of your hiccup! Ow! Come here! Jeffy, stop fighting now! Wow! You're an idiot! You're mother idiot! Fat monster! You got me a fat monster! Yeah, run then, you little crybaby. So, Daddy? I need to sleep. Why did he beat us all up? Jeffy, your hiccups are gone. Oh, it's probably all that fighting. It probably is. Come on here then. No, hang on. I've got. Oh, I'll come then. You want to beat me up? Ow. Anyway, you got your hiccups are gone. Yeah. I don't want hiccups anymore. Oh, yeah, let's watch some. Hey, let's watch some. Hey, let's watch some TV. Hey guys, TV. Oh no! No! My hiccups are going through. Ow! 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 Oh no! 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 Yeah, that's right, fat boy. Stop calling me that. You got me fat boy and I got hiccups. Ah! Whatever. Jeffy. Yeah, it was pretty. Anyway. Oh no, I got the hiccups off Junior. Junior! What? I got the hiccups off you. Oh no! We got. Doesn't matter. Anyway, don't you copy. Anyway, boo! Oh my! Hold a bit. No! Hey guys, oh man, hey guys, what's up guys? It's Thunderstorm. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just please subscribe to my boy Logan. He makes SML videos and he's the voice of Mario. Please, and please subscribe to my man. Alfie, I don't know what it's called, but please. Please subscribe. And please subscribe to my man. It's for Bowser Bros. Bowser Bros might do some stuff. And he will. Yes, and he will make all the stuff. Yes. Please subscribe to Cable Train. But do you know what I like Cable Train? It's well funny. It's pretty funny. First of all, I need to do a short video before we finish it. Hello. Don't start with me. Oh, you're one of my favourite. Anyway, see you this video. Hey! Mario, what are you doing? I'll break this. No! Shaggy, no, you broke my camera,